I remember when I was in my corporate job, unhappy and unfulfilled. Every day I would walk past a WeWork co-working space on my way home that had their slogan, "Do what you love," emblazoned in a huge font across their entrance. I used to look at it and get really annoyed, being constantly reminded by something that was out of my reach, something I thought was reserved for special people, whatever that meant. All I could think about was, that can't be true. There's no way you can make a living doing what you love. It's all a fantasy. But really, at the root of all my naysaying, I was scared. Then one day, the pain of my present became more uncomfortable than my fear of the unknown. I stopped looking outside for the answers and started looking inwards instead. Almost 5 years later, and I can safely say that never has a truer word been said. You can do what you love and so much more, but it requires one very important ingredient to get there. And it's not all the practical and actionable steps I've given you in this course. To reinvent yourself successfully and find work that you love, you need to dream it, believe it, and more importantly, do it. No one can dream for you, no one can believe for you, and no one can do it for you. So what are you waiting for? Thank you for watching this course. If you'd like to learn more about reinventing yourself, follow me on LinkedIn. I look forward to hearing from you. Best of luck.